Welcome back to Photoshop. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a water dripping effect in Photoshop. So let's get started. The first thing first, you need to get yourself the image you want to have that effect on, and also get yourself the water effect image that you're going to be using. Alright, so this is actually in a JPEG form, and we need to select and mask the things out. So first of all, let's select the subject, go to select and go to select subject. Now that I've selected the subject, go to select, modify and expand it by 2 pixels and click OK. Alright, so now I'm going to go and click on the mask tool, and it's going to mask it out. So let's turn on this one and then select it. I'm going to turn off the down one and go select your quick selection brush. As you can see right here, the quick selection brush is right here, and after that you're just going to select the blue water, and you can see. So let's keep adding more selection. Now I've selected the water and I'm going to mask it out like this, and we have this one. Alright, so quickly let's rasterize the layer and convert to smart object, and this time around we can leave it like this. Okay, so I'm going to turn on this one back and duplicate it like this. So after duplicating it, let's turn it off, and let's turn this down one off and turn this one on. So let's resize this one, the water image. So I'm going to resize it like this to have it on a shoulder. So just a quick, something like this seems fine to me. Just a place you know it's actually looking good. So yeah, looks fine to me. I guess I'm going to leave it just a little bit. Okay, so I think we're good with where it is. Alright, so now it's an OK, and drag it below this one, so it's at the middle. Now I'm going to select this mask and invert the selection. Go to select, inverse, and when selecting invert, to select the outer one, click on the water image and mask it out, and you're going to get this. Now since you have this, I'm going to turn this one off, and let's invert the selection of the mask. I'm going to invert the selection, and we have this one. So what we need to do is to drag the water below, since we've gotten what we want to mask, and hit Alt, select the middle one and hit Alt and clip it to the water layer like this, and it's going to create this effect. Now turn this one above on. Okay, so now what you need to do is to pick up your eraser tool, and you are going to erase it, the brush tool, and select the mask of the top layer. So you are going to erase it, quickly cancel that. So select the mask and erase it from where you don't want, so you have this effect like this. Alright, so that's how to get the effect, and you can create a stem visible layer, and I'm going to group all together and turn it off. So we're left with one layer, and you can move it around whatever you want to do. So sometimes I like creating a new solid adjustment layer, and we can just pick a hash background, something like this, and to make things very looking the same, you can create a black or white adjustment layer and something like this, and you can pick the color and adjust it to to taste, just something like this, and you can write what you want to write on it. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Once again, this is